Okay, good day everyone. Now, next na pag-uusapan natin is your upper urinary tract infection. Okay? So, ang tawag natin doon is your pyelonephritis. Okay? A sudden bacterial infection of the renal pelvis and kidney parenchyma caused by ascending UTI. So, ibig sabihin, nanggaling yung infection ninyo from your lower UTI. Okay? Lower genitourinary system, okay? So, ibig sabihin, nanggaling siya sa urethra, napunta sa bladder. And then ngayon, nagkaroon ng ascension saan? Sa may ureter ninyo, papuntang what? Kidney, okay? Papuntang kidney. So, ang affected ngayon is your ureter and your kidney, okay? So, if yan yung affected natin, ang tawag natin doon is pyelonephritis, okay? Ayan, pyelonephritis. Okay. So, bakit may acute dyan? Okay, it's usually kasi ang pyelonephritis natin, pwedeng acute, pwedeng chronic. Pag acute, sudden. Okay? Pag chronic, nade-develop over time. Okay? Nade-develop siya over time. Now, ano yung mga modifiable natin? Urinary obstruction. Okay? Poor hygiene, use of catheter, diabetes mellitus, dehydration, and immunosuppression. Okay? And then, pwede rin kasi yung ating lower UTI, okay? And then we also have your non-modifiable. Siyempre, mas risk pa din ang female, yung pregnant, and history of recurrent UTI. Now, ano ba ang nangyayari sa upper UTI natin? Okay, from your lower urinary tract, okay, infection, nagkakaroon ng ascending spread via ureters. Okay, sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is your lower, this is your upper. So, pag hindi na-treat yung lower UTI nyo, possible ba na umakyat yung bacteria papuntang ureter nyo and papuntang kidney? Yes, okay? Nagkakaroon ng bacterial adhesion and invasion saan? Sa may ureter ninyo papuntang kidney. And after bacterial adhesion and invasion, there will be an immune response. Okay? Nagkakaroon ng immune response. And then pag nagkaroon ng immune response, there will be a tubulo interstitial inflammation, okay? Yung etong tube na to, okay? Papunta doon kasi may tube pa yan papunta doon sa loob. Okay? And then ano yung mga signs and symptoms na pwede nyong makita? Okay? Kakaroon ng edema, okay? Tubular damage, microabscess formation, fever, flank pain, okay? Or your costovertebral angle, okay? Flank pain or costovertebral angle. Kapag hindi nyo nakita yung flank pain, hanapin nyo ang costovertebral angle ninyo. Okay? Next, dysuria. Okay? Painful urination, urgency, hematuria, pyuria, malaise, and your fatigue. Pag sinabi nating pyuria, pass saan? Sa urine. Okay? Pass in the urine. Okay? Malaise and your fatigue. So that is your what? That is your upper urinary tract infection.